What up, family? Welcome back to the channel. We are making gumbo style collard greens today. I myself is not really cooking today, but I do have the pleasure and the privilege of watching the chef go to work. So you guys stay tuned.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, okay. And we be putting.
All right, party people. Turkey necks in the pot. Got a 3-color peppers and onions here. Getting ready. Look at those turkey necks. Man, they look good. So meaty. Oh my goodness, these were very good, very good, very good. Got the pot here prepared, and we're good to go. High heat. I'm gonna throw these guys in. Hope they can swell. If they can't, they in trouble. We got them nice and meaty, man. Oh, goodness. Look at the vegetables. Let's go ahead and add the olive oil to the water. A little seasoning. Got some badia. I'm gonna add some garlic as well. This sausage, oh my goodness, this is a very good sausage right here. Kanika. I guess that's right. So Kanika, we're gonna roll with that. But they're very good. Got them from Publix. Collard greens, just want to get a couple of bags of collard greens pre-prepared, or should I say pre-cut. Sauce, this is our shrimp right here. Big, large shrimp, about a pound and a half of shrimp. Collard greens, of course. We had to get a lot of stems out of these greens, so there's a lot of work being put in on them. All right, our shrimp, we had to go ahead and get those deshelled as well too. So, oh my God, yeah, this sausage, man, the smell of that, the whole house with this, oh my goodness, very good. Very, very good. So I'm at this point. I'm really excited to eat this food. So I kept selling sausages, so that's what we do, right? We got the shrimp deveined and also peeled. Look at that! Look at that turkey. That turkey necks. They boil for a while, so you have to boil them for a while to make them tender. I added some chicken broth. I said I didn't cook this particular video, but I kind of did. Not much, trust me, not much at all. This is one of the things I wanted to cook prior, but it was suggested. I said, hey, go ahead and let's do it. Went ahead and got these vegetables, got them sauteed, got them seasoned up and everything, a little olive oil. Seasoning these vegetables was a very good idea. It was not my idea, but I just I love to see other people cook. More seasoning for the turkey in the water with a little garlic. Keep it going. We're gonna cook these things down to get a little soft on us. So basically, you're gonna prep each part of this meal and then add it all to that pot. Basically, that's basically what we're doing. So just added the sausage. That's 2 things prepped. Of course, add the collard greens to that boiling water over there. Again, use 2 bags. We used to use 2 bags. Probably, you know what? 3 would have worked even better when you had more, because you're gonna have how much greens shrink. But let's add the veggie mix and the sausage together now, assembling this gumbo style collard green mixture. Very excited about this. Everything in the pot is good to go. Then of course you're gonna let it cook for a while. And we got one more thing to add to it, which is gonna take the flavor to the next level. And of course it's our shrimp. So let's go ahead and get this shrimp together. I'm gonna cook it a bit here, season them, and then we're gonna add this to the pot as well too. They look good already too. My goodness. I decided to cook. This is why I said I just cooked a little bit. I decided to cook this long grain rice. Of course, 2 cups. For 2 cups, you need 4 cups of water, and that's kind of what I'm demonstrating. Look at that collard greens, looking good, smelling good. Shrimp just about ready to go in there. Yeah, there you go. I'll throw that shrimp in there real quick. Make them join the party, you know what I'm saying? And while they're joining the party, of course, it's gonna continue to cook, and all the flavors on gel and meld together. It's gonna be really good. My goodness. All right, guys, I'm excited about it. Close up look at the gumbo style this video. Collard greens. Looking really good so far. Very excited about it. Just a few pictures here, But back to this rice, man. This rice is gonna be It's almost like you gotta have a start. To me, we're in Florida, so a lot of times they cook rice with everything. And then I love Puerto Rican food, so why not do like a Spanish style rice? I'm gonna do a Spanish rice. Of course, you get your couple of cups of rice, long grain rice, and then you add 4 cups of water. Very simple, very easy. And of course, you get your pot. I chose a big pot on purpose. You could use a small one, but I chose this big one on purpose because I wanted to like add something to my water, add the seasonings to the water, add the olive oil to the water, and I had also added some minced onions to it as well too. Well, they dehydrated, but there you go. It's gonna add a bit more flavor to it without adding a lot of salt. And since it is Spanish rice, you gotta have your adobo. The adobo is where it's at. Gotta have that. Gotta have that. So you bring this to a boil, and then you add those 2 cups of rice. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And just a simple, something cheap to add to your meal. That'll stretch it as well too. Oh, if you have loose rice at the bottom, add a little water, pour it in there. Good to go, good to go. We're gonna stir it. Make sure it's not sticking. And then of course you gotta have the color. So for the Sazón packets, I use 3. But it depends on how much rice you have and what tint of shade of orange you want your rice to look. Usually 2 would be okay, but I want mine a bit darker just to contrast the collard greens. And as you see the next few shots, you'll see once it's done, you'll see the contrast against them and how good that orange looks against the collard greens. That's just the artist in me, but hey, this is what it is. Anyway, guys, I digress. Cover it up, let it go for 5 minutes on high, and then the next 20 to 25 minutes you let it steam. And right now we're gonna put it on low and let it steam. Let it simmer, should I say? Look at them collard greens, man. Look at them collard greens. Okay, at this point, you gotta have the cornbread. I don't normally make Jiffy myself, but for time's sake, Jiffy was fire for what this was. Jiffy was cool. I didn't have to go crazy trying to make a homemade cornbread, this, that, blah, blah. It still would have been no issue. But look at the finished product. The cornbread, the gumbo style collard greens, and that yellow rice hit on all levels. Look at the contrast of that nice orange rice with the collard greens, with the meat and stuff sitting on top, and that cornbread just tilted to the side. You already know. Look at that fork full. I am about to bust just wide open. That was good. It was really good. Again, guys, I hope you like this voiceover. Had to run it this way because of other noise in the house, but hey, we had the football game on too, and it's Sunday. It was really good. So I had the pleasure of filming and just having a great time, just laying back, throwing back a couple of Coronas. So it was really good. At this point, guys, if you haven't, please like the video. Please join the family. Big guy's back in here. Join the family. I promise it's free. Just hit the subscribe button and join the family. Look at those shrimps. Look at that shrimp. Those scrimps. Y'all see them scrimps? They big. They stayed intact too. So again, Lord, we thank you for all you do for us. And you guys, we thank you guys for tuning in. And we're going to see you beautiful people next video. Peace.